If you want to make a video call on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, all you have to do is simply open the phone app. Next, we're going to go to Contacts in the bottom right corner, and then choose the contact that you wish to call, that you wish to make a video call with. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. And you will be able to find this green icon with the camera. This is how we can make a video call. You can simply tap on it, and you might have two options. You might see the video call option and Google Meet app. And you might also see more options depending on if you have more apps that are compatible with this feature. And there is also a chance that you will only see Google Meet, so a video call might not be available. You might just see Google Meet app over here. And the reason why is because there's a chance that your service provider doesn't support video calling for some reason, perhaps. And so you can choose, for example, video call in order to make that call, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.